Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, bit of an update video, just gonna have a quick chat and a walk around the vehicle, see where we're at. A couple of little bits of sneaky little bits have been done to us since the last time we spoke. So just wanted to give you a quick update, boys, get a little bit of content out there, give you a bit of an idea of where we're at. So yeah, let's get it. Peace. So since my gorilla stand is no longer feasible because I can't find it, just gonna have to use the old arm to hold the camera in situ. So let's have a little walk round, boys. So we've had a subtle mod done today. I didn't get a chance to film it simply because it was just a last minute thing. I got a quick price and a quick quote to come and fit the decap pipe. I was struggling like mad. I will put a quick picture in now of the bolts that were underneath the car, because I did try to do it myself and film it for you boys, but it weren't going. It weren't working. I set all my stand up, went and bought a jack stand. Went and bought a 2-ton low profile jack. Why I went low profile? What's low about that? I don't know, but we might lower it one day, or I might have a lowered car, so when you get in it you might as well just plan for the future. That's the best way I can put that. So let's have a little nosy in the boot here, boys. Let's go. So the boot's a mess, forgive me. So there are, that is the cat that has come out of it, the original cat. If anyone wants to buy it, let me know. Sort you a good price out. Here's one for you. I was on the motorway the other day, heard a mad sound, thought I need to get off this motorway, pull over, see what's going on, and driver's side, front, mud flaps caught on something. So yeah, this is actually a duct that helps with the brakes apparently. So the man's got a hot right front when he starts flexing. But there's been a massive, it has been a massive improvement. I mean, I've only had it done today, so I've not really had a chance to take it for a proper test drive. But I will get on my hands and knees for you boys. It's not with keys in my hand. Stick them there. Lie down for you, mates. It's the least I can do. So we have gone and got the decap put in. I don't know if you can see, it's going dark. Come on, lighten up. Show us. There we go. So the decap pipe sits there. You dare go dark again. It's just basically comes off. The down pipe goes back to the rear silencer. And that's it. We need to get rid of that silencer there because it's going dark. There's a big silencer here which you can't see because it's been an idiot and now it's not focusing. So anyway, there's a silencer there, a big one that we need to get rid of. There's me in there. She's looking shiny though. She's looking shiny. So yeah, looking pretty good there. Boom, there's a photo. Camera decides just to not have the screen on, scares me, thinks I'm not filming when I am. Also, I have these from when we had the TT that I do need to get rid of. They're just sat in the, well, sat in the boot most nights to take my stuff in. But yeah, really nice TT, grey inserted, Mark 1 with a LED I believe. And that's obviously the pair, really clean. Anyone wants a mega deal on them, let me know. Yeah, hit me up in the DMs or leave me a message on YouTube. We'll figure a way out speaking to each other. I can get them over to you. The boot is a mess, boys. That can go back in. Great thing about these cars, I love it. Just fucking loads of room. Get in there. See you in about a week. So yeah, again, I think next up is going to have to get rid of that dual exit. You need the single exit, sleeper look on these. Definitely. And I was thinking about rear wiper delete, and then I seen where this was and I thought, hey up, it's not on the window. So then I thought, so if that's gonna have to be filled in it and painted. So that's not a 2-minute job anymore. Lovely. But I do think it would look a lot better without that on, a lot cleaner. It looks just like a droopy tash on one side. So yeah, that's where we're at, boys. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Apologies I couldn't film the decap pipe going on. It was literally 2 bolts one end, 3 the other. They were just rusty and rounded. I was rounding them off when I started getting under, and I thought, on bolt 1 I was like half an hour in, just rounding it off, and I thought, I'm not going to do it, just not. So I paid a little bit of money, went and got it done at a garage. Not blowing, job done in 20 minutes, half an hour. Saved me a hell of a lot of problems. But yeah, again, looking clean. Do like big dozy hands, just pressing buttons and turning stuff off. So let's get the out keys. See if we can hear a bit of a difference. Oh. Yeah, that's another thing as well. I've been waiting now for 2 days in a row. Well, that will go on forever. So 2 days, been waiting in for parcel force to come and drop me off. Something that actually a viewer noticed is that the belt on this is really thin. Like the cam belt and timing belt, there's nothing to say when this has been done. I see it look really thin. So I've actually ordered a premium kit from GSF Car Parts. Sent out, got a tracking number, and got a text message saying it was coming on Wednesday. Waited in 25 degree heat for it to come in. 5 o'clock, thought, just check that tracking number. Wasn't even out for delivery, boys, it was in fucking depot. So yeah, tomorrow, I think it's due tomorrow. I checked today, it's not out for delivery, so I didn't wait in. It's due tomorrow, has to be Friday. So yeah, boys, timing kit's coming. I don't know if I can film doing that, or who I'm going to get to do that. I can't do it, but if I can film it, I will do. Let you boys in the know, show you what it's about. And that's it really for now. Just getting the easy bits out of the way, staying safe, trying to get the car safe really. Before you start chasing people, you need to look after it, don't you? So that's where I'm at the minute. Just doing the little bits, but bringing you along with me, boys. So again, apologies, it's just another update video. It's been one of them weeks, waiting on stuff. Tried to do it, couldn't get underneath, well, couldn't get the bolts off underneath. Had to go to somebody else. Wasn't really a filming place, to be fair. But nice one to Wayne for helping me out, and Chad for getting me onto him. Legends. But yeah, it is what it is. It's a smart. I'm going to build it in my own time, in my own way, and we'll get it done proper, boys. What I do proper this time, not fucking about, not just throwing everything at it and hoping that we're going to end up with some magical car. So yeah, massive shout out to the viewer that did notice the timing belt was thin. It was making a bit of a mad sound on start up on a cold start, bit like a supercharger noise, bit of a whine. Not something you really want to be hearing on your car, especially when you're starting it up. It does go away, but it's not good enough, boys. So yeah, just another update video. Do need to get round to doing my unboxing video for Max Speeding rods, because they sent me out something absolutely pucker. I did say in my last description that this was going to be the next video. I've just been waiting on bits and doing stuff, not really had the space and the time to do it, and I've got to be proper sure that when I'm unboxing it and I'm telling you what I want to do with it, that I'm going to do it. I don't want to be like some of the YouTubers that turn around and say, oh, I've got this, I'm going to do that. No, if I'm saying I'm going to do it, I want to do it. So definitely the next video is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm going to decide what I want to do with that product. Whether I want to use it myself, whether I want to maybe do a giveaway with it, don't know. See how it goes. I might even let you boys decide what we do with the product with Max Speeding rods. And as soon as we've done that, I think we're going to get some lows from Max Speeding rods, some lowering springs and stuff like that off him. So it's good to know that we're gonna get things done, boys. We're going in the right direction. We're going up. We're not going down anymore. Thank God for that. So yeah, massive respect. There's the beast, like the future beast. But yeah, massive respect to all those that come and watch the video. Like, comment and subscribe. If you're new to the channel and you want to see this get built up and we go, like I say, I'm not going to be ripping no engines out. We're looking at about a good 280 brake, 300 brake, fully decked out, fully all cleaned up, all the interior done, looking nice, how it should do. Because these are going to be future classics. 100% the price on these is going to go up soon. They're getting rarer and rarer, and that's kind of the reason why I wanted to get it as well. So yeah, Again, massive respect to everyone who watches the channel. Give it that thumbs up, write in them comments, I will get back to you, have a quick chat with you if I can do, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, bye bye. Just as an added little extra here, I don't know if you've ever noticed on these cars, I remember Bill telling me, is that they've actually got like a from factory kind of tint on the windows on the front one, which is pretty damn cool when you think it's an 04 plate, to be fair. It's like got a natural, how do you get it on camera really, that? Sort of there, sort of see it, can't really see the seats. Boom. Yeah, natural film, natural tint on the windows. Yes guys, right, a little bit of cheeky extra footage for you guys who've waited till the end or have read the description, because I'll leave this bit in the description. So we're going to do a little bit of POV. Oh, hang on. That didn't feel right at all. Box all. So, as long as we don't break down, we'll do a little bit of a POV here. So we're driving back, so let's face the camera forward, put the windows down a little bit, have a listen. You Vauxhall lads will know if you can hear anything a bit suspicious. Forget the whining, it's a timing belt. That's all getting done shortly, so let's just spin it forward. Enjoy, boys. Pulling a hell of a lot better than it was when it had the cat in. The cat must definitely be blocked, because it was pulling nothing like this. I mean, coming from a 300 brake TT and an Astra, it's not rapid. But when you take into consideration what the actual shape of the car is, the weight of the car, it's on the older version turbo, the old Z20 LET, not the LEH 240 unit. They're just direct drop-ins for this, so all things considered, it's starting to pull a lot better than it was. That has massively improved. Putting the decap pipe on, massively improved. I don't know how it looks on camera, but yeah, I'm happy with that. So that looks like we're stuck behind the Clio, boys. I could, but I won't overtake it. Like I always say, don't take too big a bite out of the cherry pie, you get burned. So yeah, that's a quick POV of the car. I think we should do it. Well, you let me know if you think we should do more. Obviously, I think we do. And just keep up with the progress, keep you updated. And as I say, Can't wait to introduce Jack and Max Speeding Rods to the channel properly, because he's been waiting long enough. I keep saying it, he's patient, but again, I want to be 100% in my mind knowing what I want to do with the products that I've got. So that's all I'm going to say for now. I think that's pretty straightforward and fair. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, plenty more to come. Let's go and have some fun with the Boost Bus, boys. Take it easy and peace out.